You don't know.
Hey YouTube, I'm here with the video showing you how I do a twist out. I've been asked a couple of times, so I just wanted to come on here and show you how I do it. So I start off with the Aphoghee 2-minute reconstructor, and I just add that to my hair for the L of the LOC part. For O, I use grapeseed oil, and then for the cream you'll see later, but I use the Main Choice 2K gel, and this gel is like magic, my favorite.
The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you a...
So I think something that contributes to getting good and sleek results is you properly detangle and you properly smooth out your hair with the product. So first I showed you how I detangled. You could also use your fingers, but with this I'm also like really smoothing it out on my hair, making sure there's no flyaways, nothing is like sticking out or anything like that.
Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me blow. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more.
When I twist, I'm also keeping in mind the idea of smoothing out and smoothing down my hair. So I try to like detangle with my fingers as I'm twisting down, if that makes sense. Like I pull my hair through just to make sure there's no knots as I'm going down, and then I really try and smooth down the product as I'm going down the twist. So I have more clips that show that a little bit better and closer up, but make sure you just keep that in mind, like about smoothing down the product on your hair.
It's nice. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point the instrumental. Giving you one time. It's okay. Bad hunting will take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away.
When I finished this, I had about 19 twists in my hair, and then I just let it air dry. It dried for like 24 hours straight, I believe. The next day, I took it down. First, I had grapeseed oil just on my hand, so it's a little bit more smooth when I take it down. And as I separate, one thing that helps is that I don't have to do parting. I did parting when I twisted it, so I don't have to disturb any of the hair pattern at all. When you first separate, you're left with two pieces. I take one of those pieces and separate it like 3 to 4 times. Then I go to the other piece and separate that about 3 to 4 times. So there's a lot of separating going on for this look.
Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing.
You might have noticed that I'm separating it as I'm taking down each twist. This is just something I picked up on YouTube along the way. For me, it works better because I kind of get the idea of how much volume I will have when I'm taking it out. So I like to do that as opposed to taking out all the twists and then separating.
I'm slow. This one will be private show. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you.
The last step for me is picking, so I don't pick too much. 2 reasons: because I separate as I take out the twist is the first one, and the second reason is because I work out during the week, so my hair is going to sweat out and get bigger anyways. So I kind of take the sacrifice on the first day, and I kind of have small hair in the hopes that during the week I'll have bigger hair.
I want more. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, pun, instrumental, even them one time. It's okay. Bad bunty, will take you there.
So I guess I can say I've been sleeping on the Twistout all this time, but I'm back. I'm going back to the basics, and I love the result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the results as well, and if you try it, please let me know. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them down below.